In this video, we're going to show you how to use AriaDirect's Fastlane Service to get you through immigration in 10 minutes or less. First, click the Get Started button here. You can either sign in with an existing account or create one. Once signed in, you'll see a list of our products, and underneath it is the Vietnam Airport Fastlane. In this area, you'll enter your flight information. Do note that you will need to book your service 3 hours before your arrival or departure time to ensure that we have an agent that can assist you. Here you select which airport you'll be arriving or departing from. We currently support Saigon and Hanoi. And whether you would be arriving or departing from Vietnam. Enter the date and the time of your arrival or departure flight. In this example, we'll have the flight arriving into Saigon on April 14th at 12:40 p.m. Once you click the search button, you can see an estimate total of other passengers that will be arriving at the airport around the same time as you. The flight that we're looking for is Vietnam Airlines at 12:40 p.m. The flights are listed alphabetically, and it's very easy to see them based on the icon up here. So let's scroll and look for Vietnam Airlines. And here we are, Vietnam Airlines at 12:40 p.m. The time shown here may slightly differ than the time on your flight ticket, as this is a much more updated version of your flight's arrival or departure. As long as it's roughly around the same time and the flight number is the same, you can go ahead and start booking the process. Here, enter the number of travelers that will be using the Fastlane service. You can choose 1, 2, 3, etc., and the price will reflect upon that. Let's say we have 2 travelers in this example. Enter the traveler's name, making sure that it matches the passport. So let's say in this example we have a Darwin and a John Smith, and separate it with a comma and a space. So if we had a third person, we can write like so. But in this example, we only have 2 people. Enter the welcome name that you wish the staff to display when you first arrive at the airport. You can say if it's a group or a company. I think in this example we have AriaDirect, or you can just keep it to your name if you want. Let's stick with AriaDirect. In this field, enter the person's name who will be the main point of contact. And in this list, choose a contact method. If you select phone number, make sure that this can take international calls or messages, but the most preferred option is social network. We use Viber, WeChat, WhatsApp, and Zello. The most popular option is typically WhatsApp. And here, you'll enter your social network ID. In this case, it's a phone number. Your flight information has been automatically parsed over from the previous page. And remember, the time here might differ slightly from your flight ticket, as this is a more updated timestamp. Here, you can enter any special notes that you would like our travel agent to know when they are meeting with you. All that's left to do is to enter your email address, your name and your phone number, and then process payment via credit card, PayPal, or Zelle. And that's it. It's that easy to book our Fastlane service. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or reach out to us at support@ariadirect.com. Thank you and safe travels.